Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 14th block, which is our rich culture. And we have learned about the different languages of our country, different clothes of our country, and different food items of our country, isn't it, children? Food dishes. Yes, so in the last topic, in the fourth topic, we are going to learn the different dance and songs of our country, which are folk dances and folk songs of India. Okay, so these folk dances are different in different state, children, and these folk dances are performed by men and women across our country. Okay, they perform especially at the time of harvesting crops. When the crops, when they are harvest the crops, they perform this folk dances. And coming to folk songs, there are number of different songs for different occasions, for birthday, for wedding, for harvest. So there are different songs, okay, for different occasion. Earlier they used to perform in the villages mostly, because at the time of harvesting, while they are working in the doing the agriculture, while doing that daily work also, they used to sing the folk songs. But nowadays we can see people performing in cities and towns also, the folk dances and singing the folk songs. Okay, if you see the different folk dances, you can see Bhangra. Bhangra is the folk dance from Punjab. Okay, and they perform at the time of harvest. Okay, and also at the Bihu, when the harvest festival, the people from Assam celebrate Bihu, they dance their form of dance, their form of folk dance. Okay, and they wear different clothes and different ornaments also at this point of time. During the harvest festival only they perform this Bihu dance, folk dance. Okay. Next you have Garba. Garba is the folk dance of Gujarat. Okay. Here both men and women perform this dance during the festivals. Okay. During Durga Puja, that is Dasara harvest festivals. On these days also they celebrate with this Garba. Okay. And here also they wear different traditional dresses. Okay. Next you have Kumi. Kumi is a folk dance from the Tamil Nadu. Okay, and it is performed by women during the harvest times. Okay, and also in other festivals along with their family functions also. If there is any family function also they perform this dance from. Okay, so these are some of the folk dances what we have in our country. Coming to folk songs, you have birthday songs. When there is a birth of a child, they celebrate that with this birth song. Okay, and wedding song, when there is a wedding in the family or in the friends, they sing these songs at that time and they celebrate that occasion. Okay, and also there is Baithali. Okay, these songs are sung by the boatmen. Okay, boatmen of West Bengal, they sing these songs and they travel in the water. Okay, and these folk songs also sung during the harvest season or during the change of seasons or during the festivals. Depending upon the occasions, they sing these folk songs. Okay, children. And if you see the did you know of this blog, almost all states of India have their own folk songs and have their own folk dances. Now, whatever we have learned about Bhangra, Bihu, Garba, these are only few of them. But almost all states have different folk dances and different folk songs. Okay, children. So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your question answers. Why do we have folk songs and folk dance? So, in earlier times, people living in villages performed these folk dances and folk songs. They used to sing songs to celebrate the occasions or when they're working uh, to overcome the work, to overcome the stress of the work, they used to sing and dance along with the work. Okay, so write that answer in your classroom book, children. Coming to your next question, When are folk dances performed? At the time of harvesting, or at the time of family functions or festival also you can mention. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork and learn them, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 2, page number 32, S4, folk culture of India. Okay, with this we have completed with our block, children. In the next class I'll meet you with the new block. See you in the next class, children. Bye.